West Windsor Law presents Probate Court, a detailed explanation. If you have ever talked to an estate planning attorney, you will probably have heard the words probate court. They have probably told you that it is a dark evil and must be avoided at all costs. This explanation video aims to demystify probate court and give an overview of the process. When we talk about probate court, we are typically talking about the process one has to go through to transfer the decedent's property and assets to creditors and heirs. Generally, the probate process will follow these steps. Number 1, getting authorization and giving notice. Number 2, administering the estate. And number 3, closing the estate. Let's look at each of these in detail. Getting authorization and giving notice. The first thing one needs to do is to get the court to appoint an executor if the decedent dies without a will, or a personal representative if the decedent dies with a will. This appointee will be the person doing the work. After receiving authorization, the appointee will need to give notice to heirs and creditors of the decedent's passing and give them an opportunity to assert a claim. Number 2, administering the estate. The appointee will now need to gather assets and get an appraisal of the property. He or she will also need to set up tax numbers and prepare for filing a final estate return for the estate before actual administration and closing the estate. Number 3, closing the estate. This includes setting up the final hearing, petitioning the court for permission to distribute the property, transferring assets to heirs and creditors, and finally, petitioning the court to release the executor or personal representative from their duties. The probate process can get very complex very quickly, and it is advised to hire an attorney to guide you through it. To run through the entire probate process, it can take as little as 5 or 6 months to as long as several years, depending on the size of the estate, the creditor's claims, and any fighting among the heirs or beneficiaries. I hope that this brief explanation of the formal probate process helped. Thanks for watching. For more information about probate court and estate planning, please visit www.westwindsorlaw.com. West Windsor Law presents